Hello everyone, I am Saihan. I am greeting from National Forum and Employment Association. So today in this video I explain to one of the job offer and then in our company's job fair event and job interview schedule. And so at first then I explained to job offer that company's location is in Saitama, wants 2 people, and then that company is in job details in sales for in car, repair car, and then painting of car. And then that company is in working hours is in 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. and then it will be starting 118,000 yen until the 25,000 yen. And then who is speaking daily conversation Japanese level, it is possible to challenge the job interview. And then if you want to know more information that company's job offer and another company's job offer, please visit in our company's job fair event. It will be starting Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It will be starting 11 a.m. and then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday it will be starting 2 p.m. If you visit in our company's job fair event, you can get in yellow ticket. Yellow ticket is to challenge the job interview ticket. And then during that day you have a job interview, you have a blue ticket. In our company's in first floor is in job cafe, and then it is possible for lunch, some coffee. And then if you want to know more information, please contact in our office 0362068058. Okay, thanks for watching.